Hello my technical world, and I hope you all will be fine. Many of you have messaged me to share videos in English so that we can learn easily. So I started this series. I am starting this series in English. This is the BigBang version of Lonati software, and you can install it from Lonati website. I can share its link in description also. This is the version. You can check BigBang 11.01 version. This is probably the latest version. So in start, I am starting a basic program, how to create a basic program for Lonati machine. Here is the model GK or GL544s. You can click on the programs, then just follow the mouse cursor and check on guided creation. You will see a new window open here, and you can choose a new article. So it depends on you which type of article you can create. I am selecting a simple low cut sample. First of all, you can select your single cap type. I will also share videos about the types of single caps used in different machines and also technical standardization of the Lonati machines parameters in my later videos. I am selecting the sinker cap, complete sinker cap here. You can choose pre-styles here just by double clicking the mouse. If you want to make a terry sandwich socks, you can select it. If you want to make half terry, you can select it either way of in terry sandwich and half terry. If you want to make a splicing terry, medical terry, plain fabric, medical plain, so I just double click on terry. Now select one of these, double welt 1 feed, welt 2 feed. You can select any. Now you can see more options here opened, and here is our chain is progressing. Here is our chain. You can select single welt if you want to make without folding, roll top, short double welt 1 feet with picot and pattern, turn double welt 1 feet with elastic begin. So you can select any one of it. I am selecting this double welt 1 feet with elastic begin. Now if you want to make a low cut style, then you will directly go from double welt to ankle or leg with terry. So just search from here. Here it is. Transfer welt 1 feet for terry leg 2 feet, transfer welt 1 feet for leg terry 1 feet. At start, I am starting transfer welt 1 feet for leg terry 1 feet. Now if you want to check on the leg, you can select it, otherwise just go to the heel, because after ankle there is a heel portion. So we will select begin heel from leg terry 1 feet. If you want to create a Y heel section, you can check on section Y, otherwise leave it and select end of heel for foot in terry 1 feet. If you want to make foot 1 feet, then check on this. If you want to make foot 2 feet, then check on 402 end of heel for foot in terry 2 feet. And if you want to make foot 4 feet, then check on 404 function end of heel for terry foot 4 feet. And if you want to make that your feet fingers in out separately, in different steps you can select this 405. It's clearly written here, end of heel Terry foot 4 feet separate in. I am selecting number 1 option, end of heel for foot in Terry 1 feet. Now foot. Now if you want to add an arch support, you can select 841 function. If you don't want, then just click on the begin toe from foot in Terry 1 feet. Standard Terry toe. If you want to make right toe, left toe, you can select from here. If you want to Terry reverse toe, circular toe, every option is here. Standard toe Terry 701 function, I am selecting this. Rosso for standard Terry, linking line for standard Terry, automatic standard toe Terry. This is automatic standard toe Terry. This is for the closed toe machine, and we have open toe machine. So we will select 901 Rosso for standard Terry. Sock release without turning device. Definitely we have a open toe machine and we will select this. We don't have a turning device. End of socks. So this is our simple low cut Terry program is created. Just check on OK. Now you will save it. You can select the needles. 108 needle I am selecting this. You can select 144 or animate. You can select the size here. You can select the diameter, stitch gauge, everything is written here. You can read when you have the software on your system. Now you can save it. I am just saving it P1. This will be saved in the chain. Now our program is saved. I will close this window and I will check my chain again. Here it is P1. So this is my newly created program. This is my program that is opened in GK544. We have some initial settings in this program and I will share those settings in my next video. This is our single feed program here. You can see here from pattern. So this is the no logo in it yet. We will insert logos and we will insert patterns in this sock in my further videos. I will also tell you about the shortcut keys, these tools, about the programming software. So I hope you will subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends, and you can WhatsApp me for any help or consultation. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with me and Allah Hafiz.